Good evening. Yeah, I beg Chefkele this.
Oh, Chefkele this, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want other Kelewele.
Okay.
Yeah, the 30 cedis package.
With sausage and gizzard, right?
Yeah, with gizzard and sausage.
Yes, I can do that. Okay, so I'll do on now. Thank you.
Oh, chef, sit. Hey, Chefkele. Yes. Today is my surprise day. Hey.
You enjoy it.
I will eat
Charlie, I do.
Hey. Emena.
You, macho that.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
so which one be my own?
But this is mine.
You don't want, you don't want more?
Yeah.
Oh, I get.
You get more.
I get more for the.
Order another one.
Yeah.
Order.
What will be the packages then? Things?
So I get it starts from 12 cedis. So 12 cedis Kelewele only. We get 20 cedis. Then you will get sausage, then peanuts in the optional. We get the 25. We have pork chops. We have gizzard.
Hey.
We have beef chops. So
very cool.
It depends on what you want. And then we have 30 cedis. 30 cedis the jumbo pack that will give you everything. And then we have extras like yam balls, we have fries, and the rest. So we have custom packs. As for custom, anything you want, we can make it for you.
Like
aside
mine
the standard.
is a custom pack.
So if like I don't make you give me the 30 glass and 10, is that one going to be custom?
Yes. So
hey!
aside the standard ones, you can just ask. Maybe I want this. And then we just discuss however you want it. You just make it up for you.
So like I get 40 cedis for I don't want this one. What you will command me?
So per your preference, I can give you Kelewele, yam chips, yam balls, pork chops, beef chops, gizzard, sausage.
I think they smell good though. Charlie, make a wire eat the 40 then you
Hey, so this one is it potato or yam?
This is just yam.
Hey, wow, Chefkele. Hey, it's the sauce. So
what be the moment?
Oh, 0550.
Wow.
0550.
Chefkele. This your my food then. Stop.
It's also our WhatsApp number and our call number, so you can text to order.
Then let me mention it again so I say it. So
okay, so 0550
0550
910 109.
109.
Yes.
But why they chop on?
It's nice. Chefkele, yam
How's
balls.
the sauce?
It's amazing.
I will send you the distance so the 40 Ghana.
Sure.
Right. You really have to try Chefkele out. This is amazing. And in fact, hey, there's gizzard though.
Yes.
Hey.
Let's see the blue.
Nice. It's yam balls.
Yam balls.
Wow.
She makes me already.
Dabi. You can't do that. She's a lady and